Today I will show you how to add a menu in your WordPress website. So let's get started. Go to your dashboard, click in Appearance and Menus. I have already added a menu, so I create a new menu. Click on Create a new menu, name the menu and click to Man. Create a menu and create a custom link. URL, add a hashtag and home, add to menu and hashtag. I don't have a URL, that's why I add the hashtag. You have a URL in your page, paste it here. About us, contact us, so here I have a home page, home menu, about us and contact us. Save menu, click on save menu and I will edit my page, edit with Elementor. I will delete this menu and add a new menu. Search nav menu. So drag and drop here and you can select the name of the menu. So here is your menu and you can change the color of your menu. Click on style, click on text color and click what you want to add a color. I add white color, so you can see white color, and hover you can see green in hover, so I change the hover color. Click on hover and change it, so I change the color of red. So here you can see change the hover color. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.